Shares of the world's largest streaming service Netflix plunged 22% last Friday after fourth quarter subscriber addition fell slightly short of its own target. It added 8.28 million customers in the October to December period, ending the year with nearly 222 million subscribers. In its home turf of the US, Netflix's growth has been stagnant for long now, and it has been eyeing other big markets. Netflix launched in India in January 2016, and after over 6 years of streaming, it is a distant third in the country. Although the streaming company doesn't reveal the number of subscribers, a research firm recently claimed that it has around 5.5 million subscribers in India. Its competitors, Amazon Prime Video and Hotstar, are way ahead with 22 million and 46 million subscribers respectively, the firm claimed. Netflix co-CEO Reed Hastings highlighted the company's struggle in the Indian market, whose 1.3 billion population offers a huge growth potential. This is what he said.
What's unique about India's cable is about $3 per month per household. So radically different pricing than the rest of the world, which does impact consumer expectations. The great news is in every single other major market, we've got the flywheel spinning. The thing that frustrates us is, why haven't we been as successful in India? But we're definitely leaning in there.
Analysts say Netflix did not get its content strategy right. Going by the Oddmax Media data of the top 15 series on subscription-driven streaming video brands, only one is from Netflix. Of the top 100 theatrical films based on domestic box office in Hindi since 2018, Amazon Prime Video bought 48, while Netflix picked up only 20. In Telugu, Netflix bought just 9 titles against 40 by Amazon Prime Video. ZEE5 bought twice that number. For some years now, analysts have been questioning Netflix's strategy about its non-Hindi programming. While content is only one aspect, Netflix had failed to hit the mark on pricing and distribution. To talk more about this, we have with us Karan Taurani of Elara Capital.
So I think, 4.5, 5 million subscribers is not a bad number in my view. They are a platform which is primarily only into content, web series and movie-based content. So if you compare this to peers like Amazon and Disney Hotstar, most of them have got cricket content, they've got e-commerce bundling, they've got other services around that. So I think Netflix did not have that. So I think that's one reason why the subscriber number is so low. Second thing you have to give to Netflix is, their pricing. I think the pricing has been a big premium, versus competitors. Of course, now it is coming largely on par as far as the basic plan is concerned. I think one more thing, that will happen here clearly is that the bundling aspect of it. So close to 85 to 90% of India's SWOT subscriptions are coming from bundles. And when Netflix started back then for the first couple of years, I don't remember if they had bundled with anyone, right? Or they had partnered with anyone in terms of Netflix subscription. But now, they're available with Jio, they're available with Vodafone. They've got multiple partners in the telecom and the OEM ecosystem wherein they bundle and probably give you, a free subscription with that. Currently, what Netflix was basically was more of international shows, more appealing to the premium audience, high ARPU, more appealing for the urban and the metro audience and not moving beyond that. But I think given the kind of price cards, given whatever they're doing right now, I think they have to probably move to the right path, probably change the content strategy a bit, maybe, explore the South market, which is very huge. So probably get more of web series originals, in the regional language, specifically Tamil, Telugu, and maybe Bengali as well, which are a larger audience base, so to say, in terms of regional. So I think you cannot forget that they have a very huge advantage in terms of dubbed content. We've seen what has happened with web series like Money Heist and Squid Games. Definitely in the last 1 year, they are trying to become aggressive in India. They have tweaked a lot of strategies, right from content to pricing to bundling.
A week ago, Netflix raised its prices in the US, but in December, it slashed prices in India by up to 60% across plans as it tries to catch up with its rivals in a price-sensitive geography. It has already invested $400 million in Indian content. Hastings compared India to the Brazil market, where according to him, it was brutal in the first couple of years. A country where he thought Netflix would never break even, it is now its second biggest market with around 18 million subscribers. The competitive intensity in the Indian OTT market is also heating up. Regional streaming platforms have been giving tough competition to the big players. Yet, Netflix says the Indian market isn't that difficult to figure out and hopes it can do another Brazil here. Pandemic helped Netflix gain a foothold in India and several other countries too. The streaming giant now stares at a tough road ahead, where quality content and reasonable prices will decide its fate.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.